This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Oh no, that blazer's too small in the chest, under the arms, and even across the shoulders. What are you gonna do? I know, let's upsize it! For this awesome upsizing project, all you need is that too small blazer, scissors, seam ripper, hand sewing gear, and your sewing machine. The easiest way I have found to upsize the armholes is to simply remove the shoulder pads, and then it basically gives you the same amount of space here that was previously up here. So your first step, of course, is to flip the blazer inside out, then grab your seam ripper and just open up a small hole in that interior shoulder seam. Once you have your little hole, go ahead and reach in and carefully pull out the shoulder pad. That's absolutely huge! Look at all the space that's taking. Then all we're going to do is remove it. When you have all that shoulder pad material removed, go ahead, tuck in the fabric and stitch that little opening closed. So the blazer fits so much better now that those horrible huge shoulder pads have been removed. But as I have been craving a split sleeve blazer for quite some time, I'm going to transform this one right now. Let's get to it! So I'm thinking the first thing we're going to have to do is go ahead and open up these under sleeve seams here in the blazer in order to give it, the open sleeve look. So, yeah. Once you have that interior lining seam opened up, go ahead and open up the exterior fabric seam. Then all you have to do is tuck in the raw edges of the lining and the exterior seam and stitch them together. And then once those raw edges are all stitched together, go ahead, flip the blazer right side out and admire your gorgeous split sleeves. Yay! How perfect did this come out? Awesome. Fantastic. I could not be happier with this. It is now my new favorite blazer and it fits great and it's totally unique and looking awesome. For loads more upsizing tutorials and refashionista tips, tricks, and more DIYs for everything, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesaucehattery.com. And as always, while you're there, subscribe to me everywhere on my blog and YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and Tumblr and just everywhere. Refashionista Sheri, Confessions of a Refashionista. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag. I'm just so excited.